Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out Neocurly products. I'm super excited. My box has finally arrived. So in case you guys don't know, Neocurly is produced by Curly Bev, and this product been sold out for a long time, but it's finally back in stock. I'm not sure if it's still in stock, but I will link her website in the description box. So I finally got my hands on some of her products, so I'm gonna unbox it, smell it, and then try out the wash and go with my hair. So I'm excited to try this because her hair be so bomb and her wash and go looks so good, but as y'all know, I cannot stand wash and goes. So yeah, I'm a bit nervous, but I really hope that my hair turn out like hers pretty much. So let me go ahead and unbox this product for you guys. I purchased the all-inclusive crown care bundle, and I also ordered some separate products, which was the Banging Curls Lightweight Hair Milk, the Curls Poppin Moisturizer Leave-In Cream, and the Twisted Moisturizing Styling Gel. Here is the gel. So this is my cleansing moisturizing co-wash. And here is the lightweight hair milk. This is one of the products that she used on her wash and goes. I do have the Like a Blossom Sunflower her hair oil. This is the Curls Poppin Moisturizing Leave-In. So the only items that I would need for this wash and go is the Banging Curls Lightweight Hair Milk and the Moisturizing Leave-In Cream, and also the Like a Blossom Sunflower Nourishing Oil. My hair is freshly washed, so I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it. And also I will be doing this wash and go exactly how she do hers, starting with the lightweight hair milk. It's a weightless, fast absorbing milk for low porosity hair. My hair is low porosity. Intense moisture. Directions: apply to freshly washed hair. Towel dry hair. Dispense a small amount into hands and gently run through your hair. So it smells pretty good. It has like a light scent to it. Yeah, it's a really light scent. I can't really smell anything. It's definitely nothing too overpowering. Alright, that's about it. According to her, less is better. That's how you get the most volume in your hair with the least amount of product. All I'm doing right here is just working the product into my hair, into my roots, just trying to focus on my roots. And now I will follow up with the Curls Poppin Moisturizing Leave-In Cream. Yeah, it's still a lightweight cream. And you know what? Maybe I may not hate this wash and go because it's not gel. The reason why I can't stand wash and go is because I do not like gel. But this is actually a cream. So I may just like this. I hope it works out. I always want to do a wash and go with a cream instead of a gel. So I guess this is the first time I'm trying it out with the Neocurly products. So I'm going to take the same amount, about a quarter size amount, and rub it all through my hair. The product is absorbing into my hair. It's not just sitting on it. Okay, so this is my hair with all the product in it, and I'm super nervous because my hair is already big. And now at this point, I'm supposed to blow dry my hair on cool or low heat. And y'all, I honestly don't even own a blow dryer. I had to go out and buy this thing. I haven't blow dried my hair in over like, had been like 8 years on my own. I can't even see y'all, this is hard. So I'm supposed to like scrunch up my hair and just kind of keep doing that. So that is what I'm going to do. Okay y'all, so obviously the purpose is to get big hair, but I'm nervous. Okay y'all, so I look like I had a fight with my blow dryer. So my hair is still a little bit damp, but the main part of my hair is dry, and I'm speechless. I am speechless because I don't know what to say. Let me tell you, all I can say is love yours. I had to take J. Cole words, and you honestly have to love your hair, because you may do something expecting to get your hair just like the video that you're watching. You may be trying to grow your hair, and you may try everything out and it's not working. Who cares? You have to learn to love yours. Longer hair is not better than shorter hair. Shorter hair is not longer than long hair. Low porosity isn't better, 4C isn't better, 4A isn't better. It doesn't matter. Love your hair, because you know, I bought these products. I told y'all I love Curly Bev hair whenever she do it, but you clearly see that my hair and her big fro, it looks nothing alike. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't hate it. Like, I always want to have an afro, so I don't know if I'll be able to wear it down, but I for sure will be able to like put it up and have some big hair, because this hair is crazy. And I didn't even have to I'm supposed to pick it out, but to be honest, like, my hair in itself already has volume. Like, my hair is super thick. Y'all see how long my hair is. So I'm really nervous to pick it out, but I'm just gonna try a little bit. That hurted. I'm just gonna try and do a little something. But you just have to love yours. Like, you do. I remember when I first, before I went natural, like, I love like 4A, the way they hair, or is it maybe 3 or 2A, whatever, those big juicy curls, like naturally, like not like the coils, but those big curls that you be seeing like all on the Instagram models and whatnot. And it's like, oh my goodness, that hair is so pretty. But the truth is, that's not my hair. I can try and manipulate it, I can do whatever. Y'all can gel y'all hair down trying to get some curls, but to be honest, love your fro, love your hair. For real. I feel like I'm not even gonna do this because my hair is already like super thick. It's no need for me to do this. But yes, y'all, do y'all see this? Like, I look like the definition of a lion right about now. But like I said, I don't hate it. I actually like it. Like, I've always wanted big hair, like a big fro. But my hair, whenever I do my hair, like, I guess the length of my hair and the weight of my hair, it always pulls my hair down. So I never get it to be able to like really sit on top of my head the way it's sitting on my head right now. So I'm not hating it. I'm nervous when I have to wash it out in a few days, because I feel like that's gonna be the struggle of my life. But y'all, it's not terrible. It's not what I was expecting. Oh, and another thing, if you watch Curly Bev's video of her wash and go, she'll tell you that it took her 4 years to learn how to do a wash and go. This is only my second wash and go, and that's by choice, because I already told y'all many times I do not like wash and goes, and that's because of gel. But this actually was a cream, so it wasn't bad. I feel like my curls, like, you can kind of see my little curls right here. But yes, like, I don't even know what to say. All I know is that I like it. Like, my hair is huge right now. I look like a big lion, but I love it. It may look crazy to y'all, but again, like, this is my hair. Well, I don't know if it's 100% like the way my hair is, because I did use a blow dryer, but I feel like maybe next time I'll try it out and I'll just let my hair air dry, because like, y'all seen the form that it had before it started shrinking up. Like, it was actually cool, and it would have just like stayed like maybe longer and just would have poofed up. But y'all gotta tell me what y'all think about it. Like I said, I don't hate it. I'm probably gonna play around and put it in a big old high puff, because I don't think I really can like do anything with my hair right about now, but like wear it as is. And honestly, I feel like this is, whenever I feel like my hair is kind of in the iffy stage, this is the time when I get the most compliments. Like, sometimes when I go to the grocery store in my twist outs or in my braid outs, and like, it'd be like day 3 or 4 and my hair is just like super big, and people be like, oh my goodness, your hair is so cute, and I'd be like, really? Like, no, it's not. But beauty, like they say, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. What may not be beautiful to you is beautiful to other people, and this right here may look a hot mess to some of y'all. Like, to me, it's interesting. It's grown on me, but I don't hate it. I like it. I don't know if I'm 100% in love with it. Like, it gives me that big look that I always like. I feel like if I can manipulate it, if I can play around it a little bit, like, it'll come together. But I just feel like you just have to love your hair. But yes, I look like a lion. My husband is at work, and I should just greet him when he comes through the door like, hey baby. He gonna be like, what did you do? But actually, that's not true. He liked my natural hair. So yes, y'all, this is me trying out the Neocurly products. I like it. I think I'm gonna play around with it some more. Well, ain't no thinking about it. I have quite a few products, so maybe I may do a little giveaway. Let me know in the comment section if you guys are interested in trying out Neocurly products, and I may just pick one winner, and you guys can get the entire set that I have, because I bought 2 sets. I think it's all about practice. Practice. Just try different things, and you have to figure out your hair. No 2 people are the same. We all have different hair. We all have different everything. Like, it's no point in everybody trying to look the same. You don't want to look like the next person. Just be you. You have to be you. So let me know what y'all think about it. Like, y'all have never seen my hair like this. I've never seen my hair like this. But tell me what you think about it. Maybe I can split it down the middle and do like 2 big old puffs or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But I tried it out, y'all. I'm gonna try to manipulate it a little bit, but just let me know what you think about it. Let me know if y'all have tried out her products, and also let me know if you want the other set that I do have. So you guys, honestly, that is it for this video. I'm gonna wrap it up. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about me trying to blow dry my hair. Should I have used the diffuser? What should I have done differently? But yeah, at the end of the day, just don't forget what I said. Love yours and love your hair, love your body, love everything about you. No one can be you. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.